Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I will show you how to use the split screen feature on this laptop. So to use the split screen feature, let me open a couple of windows to show you how it works. Now grab the top bar of one of these windows and drag it over to the top of the screen, and then choose the position for the first window. If you want to align two windows at the same time, then I recommend using one of these 5 options for it. You can align up to 4 applications at the same time on your Windows screen. For example, let's put the File Explorer into this position and then select Google browser to be positioned right here. You can change the size of each window by dragging the bar between them. And let's try to place 3 windows at the same time. So let's select one of these positions for the File Explorer, then put the web browser right here and the device manager right here. And this way you can align 3 apps at the same time on your screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.